go again. Now, up na. We should remember the lecture, the history of the Philippine people in the school. We had 7,100 island, and that is located in East Philippine Sea. Yeah. That Philippine islet or island, small island, so-called small island, that is consist of 7,100 island along the East Philippine Sea. Now you can see as how and where the location of the East Philippine Sea. And now the 7,100 island, as you can see, yes. Okay. And that is 7,100 island. For clear no, this is the clear location of 7,100 island, and that is now 7,100 island. Now it is located right here, the spotlight of my flashlight. So this is the loop. So now we need to claim that all of citizens in the Philippines are governed under a capella being studied before, taught by our teachers, the history of the Philippines, the history of the Philippines. So this is what this too. So you can see now the globe. And this is the Philippines, which you can see in my spotlight. You see that? And this is the group of island. And then we need to have a manufacture of a kind of machine as like this should be done. So that you can fly. Ngayon, marunong ba kayo, di ba kayo matakot na lilipad? Ayan, huwag kayo matakot. So, total may ano naman. May pakpak naman. Ayan. So, you can fly by this machine. And this location is very near. By this little turbulent like a balloon gathered a volume of air and to release. This is put up in the motorcycle chain. And then it will fly. Now, all you need is to have to claim, or maybe what would you like to do with these people living in this area, because this is taught in our Philippine history. Remember that is 7,100 island. So 7,100 island is located here in this area. That area. You see? $7,100. Okay, did you see that? Okay. I'm going to have a focusing away. No, this is the Philippines, and this is the 7,100 island. Islets, they call it islets because it's smooth. And this is the big jurisdiction of Philippines. You can see. So it is this. So by manufacturing this kind of a turbojet like balloon, it is only propelled by air. You need to attach in a motorcycle and that very simple turbojet balloon engine. Okay, put it right here in the highlight of my spot flashlight. So, and this is the location from the chain of the motorcycle. When you can fly, you can have. Right now, you bring gasoline. Okay, you can reach the island. If you like to, you know that. If you like to have a sound to clean, you know what I mean. By this Philippine jurisdiction, the 7,100 island. Now, that is belong to the Philippines. You can use this uniform if you want to clean it. This is khaki color, and this is the light pig. Yeah, you see that? Tree hanger. Khaki color, the light fatigue, of course, it's a fatigue, it's a pure fatigue. So, you can use any of the street. You see that? Those who wants to join, I cannot provide you a guns, but I can tell you how to create guns, small and big, and also the bullets. I don't like trouble, but we need to claim our island. That is according to the history. Who is the very brilliant boy in the school during time in the Philippine history? In high school, and even in college, it was taught again, emphasized, that our island has consists of 7,100 islands. So, much better, you need to have produced those books. If you had that book, please remind and have photocopy Xerox to the Xerox center, photocopy center, and keep it the book. Then you should wear a uniform that you've been a student before, and you've been taught that the Philippine archipelago consists of 7,100 islands. I also remember that when I was high school in the Philippine history, I noticed that and emphasized that, and I learned how the teachers emphasize through that book, the Philippine history. Until when I enrolled in the college, when I get inside in the school, it was emphasized again that we had 7,100 islands. There's no island located in the West Philippine Sea. So it is located in the East Philippine Sea. So this is the East Philippine Sea. Now, if you like to join to have claim, you had a very big rank if you had the evidence as of in any paragraph or in any verse or paragraph rather, or verse rather, in the book of the Philippine history. So it is emphatically openly since our education been attended. You know, I cannot provide you guns, so I will teach you how to create guns and create bullets. Just like this. It's a very simple. It's a very simple, but it's true. So I wanted to have volume each of every one of those high one joining people like you to provide as long as you have an evidence of those 7,100 islands indicated in the noticeable in the Philippine history book. Then you go around in the Philippines, and even those people abroad, tell them how to get those Philippine history book. Excuse me, just to have find the paragraph and the verse about, I mean, the praise, not verse, a praise. Okay, rather a praise, not verse. It is not a line. It is the Philippine history. So it is a story of the Filipino people and their jurisdiction of the Philippines. So in this area, this is the so-called East Philippine Sea. Okay, this is the so-called East Philippine Sea, located the 7,100 island, according to our subject in the school, being taught in the Philippine history. Okay. Okay. Did you read that? Can you visualize well in your mind? So this is it. On this side, east, on the west is on my right side. And the east is this yellow is the East Philippine Sea. Now, I am going to tell you the exact run or the points of the compass. Really, if you have a small compass in your house, you try to see where is the location of north. So in my position now, as I'm sitting here, the location of north side is going there. But in this paper, this is the west side. Yeah, you see there? This is the West Philippine Sea, and this is the East Philippine Sea. Now, the 7,100 island is located. This is it, the yellow. Okay, you see it better. You see it better. Okay. You see it? Okay. Again, you see it clear, and I focus away so that you can have consistent analysis. So this is what, if you like to join, so you produce the book of the Filipino story, rather, the Filipino story, and then you read it thoroughly, where you can find the 7,100 island being taught in the school gradually. I cannot locate it to that book in the Filipino story, how to find that 7,100 island, but almost and all of us Ibiganons being studied here in Ibigan City, that is taught by our teachers, you know, people, the college and the elementary with them, therefore. So now I want it to be sure to you that I don't like trouble. I don't like, okay? If you want it to have trouble, just remember this, and you can see this in my account in YouTube, so that you can see how to create this kind of uniform. This uniforms is I made with my own. You see that? There is a cross at the center. Can you see the cross? It's very small, tiny. And there's the other one. There is also a cross. No? Okay. But it is not really indicated that it is really the cross directly as what you have seen. But I think the very cheap things to follow. Yes. Okay. This is the motorcycle, and this is our turbo jet balloon, as to use, propelled only by air. It's a compress. It is very just like a matter of compressor, no? But this propeller is a condense of blade, but so that there will be no air can get out to the side. So all the air will come out from the side. It's just like a balloon. So it will attach. You see this wheel tire on this. This is the one. So you can use it you can fly by using this. Okay. And then again, to emphasize you better, this is it, our location of the 1,700 island. So the 7,100 island is, it must be led by those who graduate any school, high school or college, or maybe rather those who the people who had an evidence of the 7,100 island that belong to the Philippines. Now, the 7,100 island, that is considerably the islets. Can you read it? The Philippines 7,100 island. Philippine Islets history. Okay, the yellow color. Also that is the location of the islets belong to the Philippines, which is the 7,100 island. But before that, don't make trouble. You can use do not make trouble again. I don't like trouble again. Don't make trouble. You can use this by copying in my account. So I will not tell you what is my name, but for those Iliganos know me already because I have 10,000, almost 10,000 viewers, mga Iliganon. So they know that already. So my name, so I will not mention it, but you coordinate with those Iliganons who know my real name. So the convenient way of explanation, I don't provide and I cannot provide you a guns, but I will tell you how to do a guns or the bullets itself, the ammunition. So okay, before I end this, please always remind you that those who wants to join us, you need to have evidence of the book of 7,100 island. If you cannot provide that 7,100 island evidence of the Philippine island history, then do not join. I advise do not join. So just forget it. Just forget these things, so that you can have also your convenient, your living, convenient living and accommodation in your house. So now I repeat, do not make trouble. That's because I allow you now to use this uniform. It's a very distinguished kind of uniform, because this is no one is like this kind of uniform. So I emphasize only during my school days, together with my classmates. I remember always that it is true being emphasized. The 7,100 island of the Philippine archipelago is located right here in that yellow color. So there's no 7,100 island. You cannot see in the West Philippine Sea, and even in the North Philippine Sea, and even the South Philippine Sea. It is located in the East Philippine Sea. So be careful now. So before I end this explanations, do not make trouble. And if you want guns, I cannot provide guns, but I can tell you how to do. So do not ask me in a very open place, or a very vulgar or besto places. The first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to get away those people, mingling those people that I don't know those people. Okay, I am this now. So the last reminder is, do not make trouble. I allow you to copy and use this kind of uniform, and then do not make trouble. I cannot provide guns. Okay, thank you very much. Do not make trouble. Do not make trouble. Do not make trouble. Only to claim.